thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are amazing. And guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this beautiful flower. I'll show you every step of making it, so make sure that you watch this video till the end. And guys, let's get started. So guys, first I'll show you how to make petals for our flower. So I'm taking here my quilling strip, making a tight coil, losing it and just secure it with using glue. And now watch it carefully. Fold this coil like this. Now prepare one more using same method. And now we are going to attach them together. Apply some glue and now attach like this. Take the same color strip, apply some glue on the petal and now wrap the strip around it. Secure it as well. So yeah, our petal is done. Same way I have created some more. Now we are going to assemble a flower. So apply some glue and attach them one by one in a flower shape. Yeah, it's done. Let it dry for some time. Now I'll show you how to make a fringe flower. Take a strip, make fringes on this and cut it like so. And now we'll start rolling it with the using of our quilling slot. Roll the strip till the end and now secure it using glue. Now open the fringes of the flower. Now finally we are going to assemble our flower. So the same way I have created one more flower using different paper color strip. So now I am attaching them together like this. We have to attach both the flower. Now apply some glue around the fringe flower, attach it as well. So yeah guys, so simple. This is so easy and looks really great. So guys, that's for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it and learned something new. If you did, so please give this video a big fairy thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel guys for more videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Until you stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.